Hello everyone. Recently, we have received many inquiries from customers. Can waste solar panels be recycled? The answer is yes. Recycling solar panels is not only environmentally friendly, but also profitable. Once retired, they become a treasure trove of recyclable materials. This is because waste solar panels contain a variety of recyclable materials, such as glass, silicon, copper, aluminum frame, EVA film, etc. Among them, glass accounts for a large proportion, usually around 70%. Aluminum frame accounts for 10% to 15%. Silicon is one of the core materials, accounting for about 5%. It also contains 5%, but more valuable metals such as copper and 3% EVA glue. All these materials can be processed and reused. How is the recycling process carried out? Stay tuned for our next detailed recycling process video. Don't forget to subscribe to get more information about recycling and sustainable development.